Your spreadsheets don't need formulas anymore. They need instructions. What if you could just tell Excel or Google Sheets what to do, and it actually did it? No formulas, no scripts, no headaches. Let me show you SheetXAI. Spreadsheets start simple, but then suddenly you're juggling formulas, broken sheets, copy-pasting data, fixing errors, and wasting hours. At some point, spreadsheets stop helping you and start managing you. That's exactly why SheetXAI exists. SheetXAI is an AI-powered spreadsheet assistant that works directly inside Google Sheets and Excel. You don't write formulas. You don't code. You don't Google how to fix this formula. You simply type what you want in plain English, and SheetXAI does it instantly. Imagine typing things like clean this data, split names into first and last, remove duplicates, generate a report, calculate growth, create charts, and watching it happen in seconds. SheetXAI executes multi-step actions automatically without a single formula. That alone replaces hours of manual work. Shashed automation power. SheetXAI can clean messy data, fix formatting, merge or split columns, find duplicate contacts, generate reports, create charts, all with one command. Your spreadsheet becomes a smart assistant, not a calculator. AI content generation. This isn't just automation. SheetXAI turns your spreadsheet into a content engine. You can generate product descriptions, SEO meta tags, marketing copy, personalized emails, research summaries, and yes, in bulk, row by row, automatically, in multiple languages. Tash document data magic. This is where SheetXAI gets scary good. Upload PDFs, photos, scanned invoices, receipts, handwritten forms. SheetXAI extracts the data and turns it into clean spreadsheet rows and columns. No typing. No manual entry, just structured data instantly. Business tool integrations. Your spreadsheet becomes your business control center. SheetXAI connects with Google Sheets and Excel, WordPress, WooCommerce, instantly, Office 365, and 20+ external tools. Send leads, publish blogs, upload products without leaving your sheet. Why it's better than Copilot or Gemini. This is not just another spreadsheet AI. SheetXAI works across multiple sheets at once. Integrates with 20+ platforms, works in both Excel and Google Sheets, browses the web in real time, generates images, video, audio, and music, extracts data from documents. Copilot and Gemini don't even come close. Real-time web research. SheetXAI can browse the internet live. That means it can research companies, track competitor pricing, pull latest news, verify emails, analyze trends, monitor hashtags. Put a company name in a cell, SheetXAI fills the sheet with today's data, not outdated guesses. Setup. Dead simple. Getting started takes seconds. Open Google Sheets or Excel. Launch SheetXAI from extensions, open chat. Type what you want. That's it. No learning curve. No setup stress. Who this is for, SheetXAI is perfect for. Freelancers, marketing agencies, small businesses, data-heavy teams, anyone tired of spreadsheet chaos. If spreadsheets are part of your daily work, this changes everything. Pricing and deal. And here's the crazy part. Right now, SheetXAI is available at 78% off. You get lifetime access for a one-time payment of just $39 instead of paying $180. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. Just pay once and use it forever. To grab this deal, check the link in the description or in the pinned comment section before it's gone. If you still use spreadsheets the old way, you're working harder than you need to. SheetXAI lets you talk to your data, automate everything, and move faster than ever. Check the link below. This tool doesn't just upgrade spreadsheets, it redefines how you work with them. Thanks for watching.